friends! If you're looking for the best new Oris watches for men based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying link were given in video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notification. Number 7. Oris Big Brown Bronze Pointer, date 01-754-7749-3167-07-5-17-66BR. A beautiful watch, exactly as promised. It works perfectly, and I look forward to years of enjoying this fine Swiss timepiece. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 36 millimeters. Case thickness, 12 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, green. Calendar, date. Item weight, 7.05 ounces. Movement, automatic. Water resistant depth, 50 meters. Number 6. Oris Divers 65 Chronograph 43mm men's watch. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, buckle. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 17 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, black. Bezel material, black DLC with bronze outer ring. Bezel function, unidirectional. Special features, date, chronograph, water resistant, luminous, movement, Swiss, automatic. Water pressure, resistance 10 bar. Water resistance depth 100 meters. Number 5. Oris Divers Mechanical 0173377074337. Display type, analog. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Calendar, month. Movement, mechanical. Excellent timepiece. Wow, what a great piece. Worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. The watch itself is fantastic. Gorgeous dial. Number 4. Oris Carl Brashear Calibre 401 watch 01-401-7764-3185. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Clasp, buckle. Case material, bronze. Case diameter, 40 millimeters. Band material, fabric. Band color, blue. Dial color, blue. Bezel material, bronze. Special feature, special luxury wooden presentation box. Certificate, limited to 2,000 pieces. Bronze screw-down crown. Movement caliber, 401. Automatic self-wind. Water resistant depth, 200 meters. Number 3. Oris the Big Crown Pointer Date Caliber 01-403-7764-065-07-5-1911. Polished hands. The hour and minute hands with luminous fill. Bezel, fixed. Bracelet strap, leather. Case material, steel. Case width, 38 millimeters. Dial color, blue. Gender, men's. Movement, automatic. Water resistant, 50 meters. Movement, automatic. Power reserve, 120 hours. Number of jewels, 24. Case diameter, 38 millimeters. Water resistance, 5 ATM. Dial, blue. Bracelet material, calfskin. Bracelet color, black. Clasp, buckle. Polished and brushed stainless steel case. Number 2. Oris the Holstein Edition 01-403-7776-4083. Case, Big Crown stainless steel movement. Automatic winding pointer. Date, small second developed by Oris. Dial, gray. Strap, bracelet, leather. Case, 38 millimeter diameter, stainless steel. Polished and brushed. Flat bezel, screw down crown and case back. 50-meter water resistance. Dial, gray. Indices. Number and hands printed with super luminova. Perpetual date ring with central pointer date hand with red tip. Small seconds at 6 o'clock. Movement, Oris Calibre 403 automatic. Twin barrels for 120-hour power reserve. Highly anti-magnetic. Accuracy rating of -3 to +5 seconds per day. 10-year warranty. Central hours, minutes. Date, small seconds at 6 o'clock. Number 1. Oris the Aquis Pro Date Calibre 01400 7767 7754-07 426 64 BTEB. Case, Aquis, 49.5mm, titanium black DLC plated. Movement, automatic winding. Date developed by Oris. Dial, black. Strap, bracelet, rubber. Case shape, round. Case dimensions, 49.5mm. Case material, titanium. Dial color, black. Crystal scratch resistant sapphire. Bezel, unidirectional rotating screw-in crown. Yes. Water resistance, 1000 meters. Case back, solid. Band material, rubber. Color, finish, black. Clasp, push deployment buckle. Lug width, 26 millimeters. Movement, automatic.